So we've seen using some of the default built-in templates within Microsoft Excel. Now let's take a look at taking our monthly budget and turning it into a template. Watch this. All right, so first step, remember the basics of a template is to build the basic structure, the basic layout, do the basic formatting, and so on. Have the consistent elements always there. So I'm going to strip out the non-consistent elements, which is really the data. I'm going to rip this stuff out. That's B4 to D8. Just hit my delete key. I'm going to take the months out because every time I use this, it's going to be a different set of months. And maybe I'll just put placeholders up there. We'll just call this month 1 and month 2 and so on. Here's month 3. So those will just act as placeholders waiting for the user to plug in the appropriate data. So now I've got the basics of my document here. Now I'm going to turn this into a template. And this is super simple. It's a save. I'm going to go up to my File tab. I'm going to go down to Save As. Inside my Save As, I'll save this into my OneDrive account here. It's actually going to change. I'll show you here. I'm going to hit Browse. So this will open up my Save As window. And typically when I save a document, it gets saved as a .xlsx or an Excel workbook. Now I don't want to create a standard Excel workbook. That's your standard file. I want to create a template, something that I can base new documents off of. So I'm going to change this from an Excel workbook to an Excel template. There it is. This is a .xltx document. I'll select that. Let's see. I've already got one in there called monthly budget template. So let's just call this the awesome monthly budget template. This one's even more awesome than that one. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now, actually, before I save it, it did take me to a very specific location on my computer. It took me into the custom office templates folder. And that's going to become very important here in just a moment when we go to look for this template and create new documents based on that template. So I'll go ahead and save. All right, and I've now got a template. You can see up above that is a .xltx document. It's an Excel template. All right, so I'm done with the template. I'm going to go to File, and I'll close it. Get rid of that. Now, the next quarter rolls around. I now need to build a new monthly budget document. Well, I'm not going to go File, New, and create something from scratch. I have a template. I'm going to build this new one based off of that template. Watch this. I'll go to File. I am going to go to New, but this time I'm not going to grab a blank workbook. I'm going to grab my template. Now let's see, where's my template at? Do you see my template up there? No template. There's the lone one. I got all those Excel templates in here. Where's my template? Oh, you know what? Right now I'm looking at featured templates. I'm going to go to personal templates. And here's my two templates. There's my monthly budget one. There's my awesome monthly budget one. I'm going to select that. And now I've got a new document. This is an instance of the template. Template 1. An instance of that template. And now I can start plugging in the next quarter's data. January, February, March. So I got to go what? April 2016 and May 2016 and June 2016. Plug in the data and off I go. Here's 200 for rent. I dropped down quite a bit there, huh? But the calculations are all there. They're all ready to go. Formatting's there. My chart down below is already being built. It's based on credit cards. But I've got the beginnings of my document already created for me, saving me time, making me more productive. Create a template. It's a simple save. File, Save As. Save it as an Excel template. Get that basic structure. And you're good to go. Every time you need to create that report. Try this out. Create your own template, maybe based off a monthly budget or some other document that you got. But try it out.